Every single person that I met within the School of Engineering was so welcoming and was so genuinely excited to have me here. Like, I could really just tell that they all wanted me to succeed, and I knew that they were going to be mentors for me throughout my 4 years here.
The open door policy and the small student-faculty ratio that we have here at the University of Mississippi in the School of Engineering, I think is probably the secret sauce. I think it's what distinguishes us from any other program in the country.
At Ole Miss, I was going to be able to get real face-to-face time and hands-on experience with the professors instead of just being thrown into a classroom with 100 other students.
There's just some sort of feeling you get when you touch down on campus and you walk into Brevard Hall. You have some sort of feeling that you know that this is where you want to be to get your degree. Great faculty, great students, great opportunities inside and outside of the classroom.
The engineering department at Ole Miss, there's people from all over the world, so we have different perspectives, different experiences.
One of my biggest things that I've tried to push forward is to give undergraduate students opportunities. I let students come in their very first day, right? And the reason for that is it gives them more time with the equipment, gives them more time with actual research, and more time for them to come up with their own research ideas.
The research that our faculty do attract graduate students from all over the world. This includes graduate students who are recipients of the prestigious National Science Foundation Graduate Research Fellowship. We also attract undergraduate students who want to come and work alongside faculty and graduate students on their research topics.
In our group, we're really interested in developing an environment that trains people to be the best at what they're doing, to have the technical skills that they need to succeed, but even more so to become the type of people that they need to be to succeed. I'm really interested in the process of apprenticing and developing the character of the people that come through these walls as well.
All of the projects that I get from industry, I push for students to be involved in that. That way, the students are able to interact with the companies. It gives the industry partners access to the students, and very early access. So typically students do co-ops their junior and their senior year. It's a whole different scenario when you get to interact with a freshman all the way throughout their engineering career and help guide them on a path that ultimately leads to them working at that company.
Ole Miss students are driven, we're dedicated, and we're serious. We really care about our education and about our career. So we're going that extra mile to show up on a weekend, showing up to all the events we can to make a name for ourselves, make those connections, and stand out.
Not only are we participating in cutting-edge research, but the caliber of our students is exceptionally high, and the potential for them to be able to go into their next step of life and have hands-on experiences really sets them apart.
Classmates that I've had, faculty that I've had, they've all been supportive in making sure that I've succeeded, and they're all there to make sure that there's success in the school overall. So that's something that would be directly applicable to any industry. They'd be the ones to be in there and be change makers, problem solvers. They'd be the ones to make sure that they get your value when you pick them as a worker.
I've talked to some of our faculty here who are also alums of the program, and everything that I loved about the School of Engineering and everything that I continue to love about the School of Engineering was just a part of the DNA of the program when they were here. It just speaks to this as such a deep-rooted aspect of the culture. And I don't know why you wouldn't want to be a part of that, to be a part of a community that cares about you, that's going to pour into you, that's going to challenge you. And then when you leave here, you will truly be better than you were when you started the program. I would challenge those that are industry partners and those that are exploring to be industry partners is just get to know our students. I think that product is going to speak for itself, and you can see that you're going to want to be a part of this story as we continue to build on that legacy for the next 125 years.